All right, I had a commenter ask about an audio track and a bus. I was showing him how to make test tones or test signal. So let's walk you through. I'm going to start a new project. I'm just going to call it Audio 2. It's going to open it up. It's totally blank. We'll go over to the edit page. And if we click on our mixer up at the top here, you can see we just have a single bus. This is your master output. It's by default. Now we have no timeline or anything like that, so we need to create a timeline. I'll hit Command New, and that'll give me a chance to name it, give it a starting time code, and number of audio and video tracks. So right now I'll say one video, one audio, stereo, hit Create. So now we have a single audio channel, and you can see audio 1 is now over here, and a video track. Let's go back over to Fairlight here. Now that we have this single A1 and the bus, so this audio, as you can see on the output right here, is going out to bus 1. So anything we put here will go out to bus 1 automatically. Now what I was showing him was setting up a signal generator. So I'm going to click on A1 here on the input section and choose input. Here's all of our interface inputs and our tracks that we can add them to. If you use this drop down, we can now choose system generator, and we can choose oscilloscope, noise, beeps, timecode. So I'll go oscilloscope. With these two tracks already highlighted, I'm going to hit patch. So now you can see they are patched in. So I can close that down. You can see the input over here now says oscilloscope. You can also do that from here at the Fairlight menu, patch input output, right here. Okay, so now let's open up our signal. We'll go down from Fairlight menu to test tone settings, and this would indicate whether or not it's on. Right now, the oscilloscope, we can choose 1K. We don't hear anything, right? That's because we have to enable our audio 1 for record and input path. So let's check this out right here. I'll take this track, drag it down. We're going to record enable it, and there's our tone. Now that's letting it through because of our input settings here. Let's find input monitor style. It's on auto. So if it was on input only, it's whatever's coming in. Auto would be whatever's coming in or playing back. Just when your recording is record, you can mute the input, and reproduce essentially is when you record to your disk, it'll play back a split second after it hits disk, letting you know you're listening to the recorded sound. All right, that's how you can set up a couple tracks if you didn't already know how, or were a little confused on a blank timeline. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you found that helpful, consider giving me a like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you got something you want me to work on or a problem that you're trying to tackle. See you on the next one.